Today's topic is lines and angles, basic terms and definitions. We know this is line segment, and in line segment two or more points are collinear points, otherwise this are not collinear. Between two line segment is called angle. Now acute angle is from 0 to less than 90 is called acute angle. A right angle is correct exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 and less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Straight line is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. Means suppose it is 45 means without this remaining everything is called reflex angle. Then adjacent angles are the angle which have common vertex. This is common vertex for this and this angle. So these two angles are adjacent angle. Anything. It is acute angle and this is obtuse. So with this common line segment we have. So this and this are adjacent angles. Then linear pair of angles. When we have to add this both the angle, then we'll get 180 means it is linear pair of angles. Vertically opposite angles means two line segment will make here like this intersect. Then this angle is equal to this angle. So vertically opposite angles are equal always. Then here intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. This two line segments are intersecting, so it is called intersecting lines. This pair of lines are not intersecting, so it is parallel. So it is non-intersecting lines. Here pair of angles, linear pair of angles, if we add sum of these two angle will make 180 degree. Axiom 3.1 is if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. That is like linear pair of angle, if we add both the angle will get 180 degree. Next one is if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines are intersecting, this angle is equal to this angle. This is called vertically opposite angle. Then remaining this angles are equal. Then this and this angles are adjacent angle. When we add, we'll get 180. If you get 180, then these lines are straight line. Suppose if we have AB line and CD line are intersecting at O, these two angles are vertically opposite angle, it will be equal. Then angle 1, angle 2, when you add this two angle 1 and angle 2, 180 degree if you get, therefore AB line is straight line. Exercise 3.1. First question is, in this figure AB and CD are the lines, it is intersecting at O, and AOC plus BOE, that is this angle and this angle, this both angle when we add will get 70 degree. And BOD, this angle will get 40 degree, and find BOE angle, only BOE angle, only this angle alone, and COE of reflex. Reflex means without this, we have to find everything with this, everything we have to find. For this, ABCD are the straight line. ABCD are the straight line intersecting at O. Then this angle and this angle and this angle, when we add, we have to get 180, because this two angle they given 70 and AB is 180 means this two angle is 70. Then what is remaining here? From 180 we have to do minus 70. So this and this angle they given together, it is 70. COE which we have to find. So 180 minus 70 is 110. Then we have to keep this as first. Then COE, that is COE and BOE, we have now this full is 110. Then here we have the CD is a straight line. So here 110 and this is 40 we know. This separately we find how much is this. Then COE plus BOE, COE and BOE plus BOD. Here we know 110, this is 40. Then if we add both, we get 150. Then BOE we should find. BOE we should find. After adding, we'll get 150. From 180 we have to do minus with 150. So we'll get 30. So alone this angle we got 30 degree. Then reflex of this angle we have to find. CD is a straight line. So we'll get here 180 plus 40 plus 30. We have to add this. So while adding AOC plus AOD plus DOB plus BOE we have to add here. So this AOC plus AOD is CD straight line. Straight line will get 180. Then BOD they have given in question, it is 40 degree. BOE just now we found it is 30. Everything will add, will get 250 degree. That is a reflex of COE angle. Third one is, in this figure, PQR is equal to PRQ. This both are same equal angle they given. Then we have to prove PQS is equal to PRT. This outer side angle, it is equal, we have to prove. So here, first angle and second angles are equal. They only given in this question. This two angle, that is first and third angle I am taking this. When we add this both, we should get 180 because it is linear pair of angles. This two is linear pair of angles. Same like this, PRQ angle plus PRT angle. This angle I am going to keep as fourth angle. Second angle and fourth angle when we add, we have to get 180 because it is linear pair of angles. So this also 180 and this also 180. We will keep like left hand side and right hand side like this. Then PQR and PRQ. This is PRQ only. So in PRQ place I have written PQR plus PRT because this is also 180, this is also 180. In this place they have given here PQR, that's why I have written. So same thing, when we have both the side it will get cancelled. Then automatically PQS, that is PQS is equal to PRT. This is what we have to prove. This they given in the question. Reason they given, that's why I have applied in this place. This fourth question, in this figure x plus y is equal to w plus z. Then we have to prove AOB is a straight line. Here this both x plus y is equal to w plus z. then we have to prove AOB is a straight line. When we have straight line, this angle or this angle we have to prove 180 degree. So we'll keep this plus and this angle is equal to K. So when we add everything, we have to get 360 degree. Then this angle also is K and this angle also K. K plus K is 2K. 2K equal to 360 means K is equal to 360 divided by 2. Because we have here 2 is multiplication relation, so it will come division. 360 divided by 2 is 180. What is K actually? X plus Y also or W plus Z also is K. Either this side or this side. This also has 180, this also has 180. So AOB is a straight line. When we prove this is 180 or this one is 180, then this straight line is AOB or AOB is straight line. Fifth question, from this figure, POQ is a straight line. In this line, OR is perpendicular to PQ. So OS also one more line we have. So here OP and OR, the rays we have like this. Then we have to find ROS angle is half of QOS minus POS. Here OP and OQ is ray and OR also is perpendicular to POQ. So this is 90 degree. Then OS is a line. It is connecting with ROP. But ROP also is 90 degree. Then QOR and POR is 90 degree. Then only we want this side. So POR if we need, this angle and this angle we can add. So adding this both angle, only I need here this angle, that is ROS if I want, POR minus POS, this angle will go this side. So, but we know POR is 90 degree, 90 minus POS, only we need this angle means we have to minus from 90 this angle, that's what this first equation. Here QOS angle if we need, this 90 degree plus SOR or ROS we have to add. This is what that. Then QOS is equal to 90 plus, this is 90 degree, 90 plus ROS, 90 plus ROS. We need here ROS only, here ROS only, the previous one also we found and kept, here also we need this. So QOS minus 90 will be there. So this is equation 2. So first equation also ROS, second equation also ROS. Therefore this side and this side it will be equal like this. So when we add this and this, when we add, we'll get 2 times of ROS is equal to, here plus 90 and minus 90 will get cancelled. So that here QOS we have plus and minus POS. So minus we written second term. So only ROS if we need, this 2 should be divided here. This is what we have to prove, hence proved we have to write.